Welcome back to Crypto Gains for another video, bringing you an update on Cardano and its price. I think it's something we should look at. You know, most of these coins have been forming some real bullish structures. This is Cardano on the weekly time frame. I'm going to take you through it. It's something that's seriously interesting here. If it sounds interesting to you, drop that like. Give me a subscribe if you're new watching. Do you hold Cardano? You're going to want to see this. It's, you know, been performing some good base for structure here since, you know, we've had these fall downs in price. And I think that, my personal opinion, we may have seen Cardano's bottom, meaning that, you know, we've had this massive collapse in price. We may have seen it. And just by looking at these two indicators here, which is the RSI and the stochastic RSI, we can get a good clean insight to it. But before I go into this, take a look at the daily time frame. And I'm using the EMA ribbons for Cardano, ADA, on the 1D daily time frame. And bloody thing pop up. As you can see here, these ribbons work as a trend. It looks for trends. So, like, you know, when you see tangling ribbons, if the yellow line's underneath, you know, and, you know, the red lines are on top, it's going to be bearish. You know, price is going to find it hard to break above these ribbons. But once it breaks above, if you see the tangle come back, meaning where the yellow tangles with the red and starts to come above, you best believe it's going to be seriously bullish. And look, you can see the yellow starting to creep up, which means if Cardano can continue to bounce off these lines and start pushing up, we're going to see a huge trend reversal in Cardano's price over the next coming weeks. And it wouldn't surprise me if we start coming back to these highs. Well, you know, if we look at it on the weekly time frame, I'm looking at a price of right here, this first yellow line, because, you know, this is sort of going to work as resistance. Like I said to you before, when they tangle, this was the tangle, they will start to work as resistance. So 66 cents is what I'm looking for the first target of Cardano. And if it breaks the 66 cents, I expect it to come up to the red line on these ribbons, and then we're talking a 96 cents. So let's see if it can get there. Let's swing back over to this now, because this is really bullish. And again, this is on the weekly time frame for ADA, Cardano. And as you can see here in its past, this is why I like looking at weekly time frames. Like I said, I'm an investor, so I like looking on the longer perspective time frames. Where if you're a day trader, you probably look at the 2 hour, the 4 hour, something like that. But look at this. So we've got some price action here, which shows from right back from 2018. Price fall off. This is probably like is that the end of 2018 bear market? I can't remember, but you can see it's forming some great structure. And you know, I was gonna say XRP then. Cardano broke above this high here from where it crashed back in 2018, and look where it retraced back to. It's sort of been bouncing off this area, holding good support. And when you look at the RSI, this is the most powerful part, guys. Seriously, because I'll show you. The last time we were down here, like really low down here in the RSI, and I want to really highlight this point that I'm trying to get with you here. All this area here, right? The last time we were down here was back here, right back in November of 2018. All this area here. And the reason I'm saying this is because, again, then this is such a powerful indicator to use. When the purple line back in 2018, when this broke, let's see, even here, when this purple line broke the yellow line and it came above and we saw this sharp rise up, this little splurge right here was a power move from here to here, all this area. It doesn't look like a powerful move, but that was a powerful move because we're looking on the weekly time frame. This is weekly candles. If I stretch it like this, you can see that this was a powerful rise up, and I think we're going to see something similar. What kind of percentage are we talking from here all the way up to here? We are talking a 275% pump. Do I have your attention? Because I think we're going to see something similar. Look, the purple line just crossed with this yellow line. We're starting to see this on a lot of altcoins. Be prepared. Many people don't want to believe that the bottom's in fine. But whatever this is, whether another fall's going to come or not, this is going to be a huge retracement for many. Because if this does another 275%, where's it going to put ADA? And I'm going to show you right now where ADA can go if it does another 275% pump. We're talking right up here. Look. My God. You're talking, trying to get it dead on. You're talking a $2 price. So and this is not financial advice, if you've been sitting there saying to yourself, I'm going to wait for one more dip, one more chicken dip, don't do it. Because I did this with Cardano when it was at 1 pence, 2 pence. I was buying it at 2 pence. I saw it jump to 4 pence. And I said, I'm waiting for one more dip. And it never come. Oh, it went to 8 pence. 8 cents. Or 8 pence, 12 cents. I wait for one more dip. It never came. 20 cents. It just kept pumping and pumping. And that's what this pump was right back here. So I'm saying to you right now is a seriously good opportunity to be dollar cost averaging and buying some just in case we have seen the bottom. I'm not saying anymore. If you like this, please drop that like. Give me a subscribe if you're new watching. I will bring more. I'm going to bring more on this stuff because these two indicators, they're so damn powerful. They speak a great story of what's to come in the future. And I'm going to show you on other coins. If you want to become a Patreon so you see this stuff early, because, you know, they will see other stuff early. I've got 7 tiers. You can take your pick. I recommend my exclusive VIP partner tier because this unlocks all my posts. You can see when I'm buying, when I'm selling, when I'm staking, all of that stuff. If you want a little bit more, I got a CEO tier. It gives you access to my VIP Telegram group. I'm seeing people come in. Welcome. Big up to you. I appreciate you. And everyone else that's in there. I appreciate everyone that's in this space. And yeah, you know, you're going to get a lot of help over here. There's big money in this space, showing great projects, ones that have huge potentials to blow. I'm talking 100x gains. So you don't want to miss out. Check it, you know, make sure you come over and check it out. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Cheers.